if you want to switch from a voice call to a video call on Samsung Galaxy S26, all you have to do is you need to simply use the camera icon that we have in here in the upper right corner once we are in the call menu, once we have an ongoing call. So when someone calls you and you answer the call and you decide to switch, go to the call menu, and then if it's possible, use the camera button in here in the upper right corner. And now as you can see, we are trying to make the video call over here. Of course, we will have to accept it in order to be able to use that. And if you turn off, if you want to actually go back, if you don't want to use the video call, in that case you would have to simply, I guess, end the call, because it seems that there is no button that allows you to simply switch back to the video call just like that. So we can only switch the camera over here, we can toggle the camera, we can mute our microphone and toggle the speaker, and there we go. Or you can just simply wait until it's failed and then you go back to the voice call as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.